Every once in a while, you come across something unexpected. This was the case when I got to experience the new A15 Android smartphone, a budget device that offers a reliable Android experience without a ton of sacrifices. NUU's A15 comes complete with a charging brick and charging cable right out of the box, along with a SIM removal tool and a clear case, so you can protect your device from falls and scratches right away. The specs are on the budget side with Android 13, a Helio G36 chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. However, storage can be expanded as this device does include a microSD slot, so you can save as much media as your memory card can hold. Have more than one SIM card? That won't be a problem because the A15 has dual SIM support and supports bands up to 4G. The 4180 mAh battery complements the 6.5-inch 720p and 90Hz display, which is more conducive of using indoors than outdoors. But let's talk cameras, shall we? This super low budget device accommodates a 50 megapixel shooter accompanied by a VGA bokeh camera. The front display houses a 5 megapixel selfie camera inside a teardrop cutout. Here are some sample pics and videos I took while taking a stroll through the park. It's not the most impressive list of specifications, but it definitely gets the job done in a pinch. So as I sit here and look at this device, I think, who is this for? I can certainly see this being a great starter Android device for those that do not wish to break the bank, but still want a reliable experience without worrying about whether it has premium specs. I also see this as a low-cost business solution should a company need to provide several devices to their employees. And last but not least, as a secondary device for those that lead busy lives and as a result need a separate SIM card and therefore a separate device. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I drop the next video. See you in the next one.